What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, we got some more work to do on the driver's side door, so let's get started. Alright, boys and girls, so as you guys know, on last video we went ahead and started with the door here, and well, time was running kind of short, so we went ahead and applied a little bit more of the body filler in the areas that we worked on. And yeah, we're gonna start sanding down and you know, little by little take it to the level that we want. So no more blah blah blah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so I wanted to give you a little, I don't know if you saw in that final clip there, we have a big gaping hole in this area here. Now, the reason why we got this is actually that the foam we used actually melted. It melted with the heat that the body filler creates once it starts to set. However, I guess it's whatever type of styrofoam I had there this time, which was not the same one I used on the front body panels and all that stuff on the grill. But anyway, we're gonna take care of this right now because it is bugging me. Please forgive me. Alright guys, so it's the next evening. We're back over at the shop here, and I think it's time to continue with what we started yesterday. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, so it's another day. Today we're going to continue working on the door. As you guys know from the previous clip there, we went ahead and made sure that all the edges and little nicks and crannies, everything was covered with the clay, as well as we went ahead and did a coat of the lacquer. That way everything is sealed up and nice. Today we're going to continue by applying some of the mold release wax as well as the PVA. Hopefully we could get it to dry soon enough so we could start applying some of the tooling gel coat. So I'm not going to take more of your time. Let's keep going.
At night was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of the people down below. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. You know I fall for love. Be
guys and girls, so as you guys were able to see, we went ahead and finished off a little bit more of the clay work that we needed due to the fact that it over dried and it did crack up. So I went ahead and did a little bit more of that, then went ahead and I applied some of the mold release wax as well as the PVA, and the final thing you just saw was actually the tooling gel coat. So we're kind of ahead of schedule, so everything's looking pretty good. Let me show you here. So you can see here the whole outside section of the door is completely coated. Now we're gonna let this dry and set, and hopefully for our next video we'll probably be laying some fiberglass. So I'll see you guys inside. All right, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all freshened up and clean. As you guys know, we went ahead and did quite a bit of work on the door there. And what I did was I worked a little bit each day just to make sure that I was able to put quite a few of the processes, the steps that are needed to make the mold. Just kind of like a refresher for those of you who haven't watched it before and this is your first time. So yeah, we definitely went ahead and did a lot of body work on the doors. We went ahead and sealed all the little cracks and all that stuff with the clay. And then we proceeded on to placing some mold release wax as well as the PVA. Once we got that stuff dried up and nice, we went ahead and applied the tooling gel coat, which that means that the next step is actually to start laying some fiberglass in order to make the mold. So I'm really stoked. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. In this video there was no scavenger hunt. However, on the following one we will have a scavenger hunt for free decals, so make sure you guys pay close attention to the next one. And also I wanted to mention, I know I mentioned last time about, especially if you follow us on Instagram and Facebook and all that, we mentioned that there's some changes coming for the Ugly Betty project, and those changes are quite significant. However, we are counting on some little help that hopefully comes by. We are going to be doing a pro modified build. That's what we're going to do, completely pro mod diesel build, and we're going to do it with the 7.3, and we're going to have some fun with it. The main reason for all this is that there's quite a bit of different trucks out there, not so many 7.3s that are pro mod, and so I said, why not, let's go ahead and go for it, shoot for the goals. And I mean, yeah, I'm reaching for those stars. It's kind of high up there, but little by little we're gonna go ahead and do that. I know I could count with you guys' support. Every time you guys watch the video, hit those likes and all the subscribers, so obviously that helps big time. And I know we're right now just about in the verge of turning 1,000 subscribers. Who knows if it'll happen on this video, who knows if it'll happen on the next one. But I'm really kind of not nervous, but excited to see what's going on. I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching the videos. I really do. And also, just a reminder, as always, we do have our decals available. We have those green handle only decals. We have the let the coal roll. Those are actually pretty nice and big. That you can see those pretty well. We also have the sun visor ones, the ones that go on the very top of your windshield. And those are 5 by 35, so they're pretty nice and big. And we also have the Po' Boys Diesel Let the Coal Roll 3 by 8s, which are phenomenal. One of the crowd favorites, to be honest. So please, if you guys want to support us by purchasing some of those stickers and stuff, that definitely helps us out, and that'll bring us up into the current build situations and everything coming up. So thank you once again. I'm a little bit at a loss for words. I'm really excited. Can't wait to see if we make it to 1,000 tonight. But hey, thank you as always. God bless you all, and let the coal roll.